Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you 5 of my favorite cleaning products that I've personally tried, tested, and actually love using. This tool makes cleaning quicker, easier, and way more effective. And the best part, they are super affordable. So let's get into it. The first one is Jif Cream Cleaner. This one is a classic for one reason. It works wonder on stainless steel sinks, stove tops, and even grimy bench tops. It just got the right amount of grit to scrub away dirt and grease without scratching the surfaces. This cleaning product is perfect to use it on the sink after doing the dishes. It makes it look brand new every single time. So just apply a small amount, scrub with a sponge, and rinse it off. It is super satisfying to see the results. The next one is the Squeegee. Simple but so underrated. I use this for cleaning windows, glass shower doors, and even mirrors. It helps prevent watermarks, streaks, and even soap scum build-up. You can use it right after a shower or during your regular cleaning routine. It is super easy to use, plus it saves you time from constantly wiping things down later. Now this one is a fan favorite. The Scrub Daddy sponge is not just cute, it's genius. It changes texture depending on water temperature. Firm in cold water for tough scrubbing, and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. It's perfect for dishes, countertops, and bathroom tiles, and even on appliances works great. And it doesn't scratch, which makes it safe to use pretty much anywhere. Trust me, once you try, you won't go back. Number 4 is something that I always keep handy, and that's the Lint Roller. Sure, it is great for pet hair and clothing, but it is also amazing for quick cleaning jobs around the house. You can use it on lampshades, couch cushions, and even car seats. Pretty much anywhere that collects dust and hair. Plus, it is fast, easy, and saves so much time between deep cleans. And finally, cleaning vinegar. This is one of my all-time favorite natural cleaners. You can use it to clean windows, countertops, your kettle, and even remove lime scale and odors. Mix it with water in a spray bottle for an all-purpose cleaner, or use it straight on problem areas. It's affordable, non-toxic, and incredibly effective. Just don't use it on stone surfaces like granite or marble. So there you have it guys. 5 try and test the cleaning products that I use all the time to make cleaning quicker and much easier. Whether you're decluttering your kitchen or just doing a quick refresh, this tool can seriously save you time and effort. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of these before, or if you got a favorite cleaning product that I should try next. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.